2025 Chevy Camaro SS. We have to show the virtual version soon because it is exciting to wear. We smelled a recent update of the 2025 Camaro. Chevy will show the figure of the 2025 Chevy Camaro SS, even though the Camaro has many Ford Mustang rivals among them. But next year will probably be the Camaro will either rely on its inexpensive design or the excellent C8 mid-arrival engine of the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, followed by the Z6 and E-Ray. The Chevy Camaro SS hasn't received many specific update leaks, though is an SUV based on the modified Chevy Camaro SS, all silver, luxurious, and muscular. The fitting 2024 Chevrolet gets the storied nameplate with the addition of a collector's edition package on the Camaro SS available in North America. Camaro has been honored with that collector's edition, so what happens to the 2025 SS? That is still under lock and key to be disclosed to the media. Only expectations are widely circulated there. Chevy's performance challenges its competitors and has always been and will continue to be integral to Chevrolet's DNA. Chevy will continue to offer a line of exhilarating vehicles from the Corvette and other racing models for the street, track, and performance craze.